Hi there, welcome to Learn Pro Supply Hub. My name's Adrian Close. I'm the Director of Learning at Ultimate Leadership Training, and I'm the author of the products that are for sale on this website. So like I say, thanks for the visit. I just wanted to put a bit of human into the website just to show that I'm a real person selling real products. My company started in 2019. You can check Ultimate Leadership Training Limited on Company House, so you can see that we're real. We're based in the middle-ish of the UK, just on the edge of a place called the Peak District. And I run training courses for companies all over the UK and design team building activities, additionals to traditional team building activities, training games and that sort of stuff. Wanted to introduce you to this. This is the Inca Challenge. So this is hot off the press. I've actually just come back from Peru as well. And these are my pictures. So that's Machu Picchu there. And it gave me the idea for redeveloping, if you like, a training activity that I've had for a few years, and changed it into the Inca Challenge. It's quite cool because the words that are used in there are actually Incan, apparently, according to Google Translate. Whether that's Google anyway. It's a team building activity. It's for inclusivity, it's for problem solving, it's to add, it takes about 25 minutes, and it's to add something a little bit different to your training sessions. So the second page of the pack that you get, this is it here. So this is the problem that they have to solve. And then they get a load of cards. So they get these cards. You will obviously cut them up, and I've laminated mine. Mine are here, so I laminated all of my cards just for longevity. And I've got about 3 or 4 packs. So I can actually have. There was a client that I was delivering training to down in Hartford, and I split their team up. I think there was 12 in the session, so I split them up into 2 twos, one in one room, one in another room, and they worked through the problem. And this is you don't have to facilitate it. You don't have to lead it. They can go in a separate room, and as a group of leaders, they work out the problem. A little bit further on, there's something about discussion. So the idea of creating a discussion at the end. So I usually use this for probably about an hour. So it takes 25 minutes, takes 5 minutes to introduce and whatnot and to read, and for everybody to, well, maybe about 10 minutes. So that's 35 minutes. And then the rest of the hour is about discussion. And then obviously as a trainer, as a coordinator, you can then steer the conversation into inclusivity, into leadership teams, including everybody, including the quiet ones, not necessarily in this team, but in their own teams back at work. And then at the back there is the solution. So what I suggest you do is you try it first. So don't look at the solution, which is on the back page. Excuse me. Actually have a go at this yourself so that you get to know and you get to understand what it's all about. And then there's some debrief questions at the back there. It's an awesome activity. I've used it lots and lots of times in my leadership and management coaching, and there you go. So that's just what I wanted to introduce myself, the Supply Hub, and also this training activity. You won't regret it. Awesome. Oh, and it embeds maths as well, because there's some mathematics. It's kind of a mathematical problem, so it also helps them embed maths, or helps you embed maths into your training, which is not a bad thing. That's a good thing. Cool. Okay. Take care. Thanks for listening.